Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to track your body skin temperature on your Google Pixel Watch 2. Let's get started. As a first step, you need to keep in mind that to use all of the health metric features, you would need to download this app, which is named Fitbit, create your account in it, and also add your device in here. Because unfortunately, without all of these, you wouldn't be able to use the health metric features. Now we can continue. So we would need to unlock our watch and then click on this digital crown to open the app list and scroll down until you'll find this app, which is named Fitbit Today. Here you'll be able to find all of the health metrics data that your watch was able to collect. Now to find the body skin temperature, we would need to scroll down until we will see this tab. Here is it how it looks, and unfortunately I don't have any data because I was not wearing my watch for about 2 days. So the thing is that you are not able to do the measurement at the moment. The watch collects all of the measurements automatically and it takes about 1-2 days of wearing your watch. And here you would be able to find the data about your body skin temperature, and also by scrolling down and clicking on this button open, you'll be able to find more data on your phone, which looks like this. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.